Hello and welcome. Today I have a sweet story for you. It's called Emma and the Lost Notebook. Let's begin. Emma loved to draw. She drew everything she saw. She drew big trees and small flowers. She drew happy cats and sleeping dogs. Emma had a special notebook. It was blue with a yellow star on the cover. This notebook was her best friend. She took it everywhere. One sunny morning, Emma went to the park. The park was her favorite place to draw. She sat on a green bench under a big old tree. She opened her blue notebook. What should I draw today? She wondered. She saw a little boy flying a red kite. The kite danced in the blue sky. Emma smiled and started to draw the kite. She drew for a long time. She drew the kite, the boy, and a fluffy white cloud. She felt very happy. The sun started to go down. The sky turned orange and pink. It was time to go home. Emma closed her notebook, put her pencils in her bag, and walked home. That evening, Emma wanted to show her new drawing to her mum. She looked in her bag. The notebook was not there. She looked on her desk. It was not there. She looked under her bed. It was not there. Oh no, she said. Where is my notebook? Her heart felt heavy. All her beautiful drawings were in that notebook. The happy cats, the tall trees, the red kite, everything was gone. Tears filled her eyes. Her mum came into the room. What's wrong, Emma? She asked softly. My notebook, Emma cried. My blue notebook. I can't find it. I think I lost it at the park. Her mum gave her a big hug. Don't worry, sweetie, she said. We will look for it tomorrow. It will be okay. The next morning, Emma and her mum went back to the park. It was a bright and sunny day, but Emma did not feel sunny. She felt sad and worried. They walked to the green bench under the big old tree. Emma looked on the bench. No notebook. She looked under the bench. No notebook. They looked in the grass. They looked behind the bushes. The blue notebook was nowhere. Emma sat on the bench and sighed. Maybe someone took it. Maybe it was gone forever. Just then, an old man walked by. He was walking his small white dog. The man had kind eyes and a warm smile. He saw Emma looking sad. Is everything all right, young lady? He asked. Emma looked up. I lost my notebook, she said quietly. It's blue with a yellow star. The old man's eyes lit up. A blue notebook, he said. I found a blue notebook yesterday. It was right here under this bench. It was full of lovely drawings. Emma's heart started to beat faster. Really? You found it? Yes, said the man. I saw how special it was. I wanted to make sure it found its owner. I live just over there. He pointed to a small, cozy house across the street. I took it home to keep it safe. Come with me. Emma and her mum followed the old man to his house. He opened a door and went inside. A moment later, he came back out. In his hands was a familiar blue notebook with a shiny yellow star. Is this it? He asked, smiling. Emma gasped. Yes, that's it. My notebook. She took the notebook and hugged it tightly. She was so happy she could not speak. She opened it and saw her drawing of the red kite. All her friends were safe. She looked at the old man. Thank you so much," she said. Her smile was as bright as the sun. "You are very welcome," said the man. "You are a very talented artist. Never stop drawing." Emma's mum thanked the man too. They walked home and Emma held her notebook all the way. She felt so lucky and grateful. She learned that day that there are kind people in the world, and she learned to be a little more careful with her special things. That afternoon, Emma opened her notebook to a new blank page. She thought about what to draw. Then she knew she drew a picture of a kind old man with a warm smile and his small white dog. It was her way of saying thank you again. It became her new favorite drawing. And that's the story of Emma and the Lost Notebook. I hope you enjoyed it. A little kindness can make a big difference, can't it? Thank you for listening. Please subscribe for more stories. See you next time.